When you say lack confidence, meaning you're looking to get your curls to a state that you're like, cool, now I love these curls.
Exactly.
We can definitely help with that. You have awesome curls.
Thank you so much.
Have you been wearing it curly very long, or are you new to it?
I'm somewhat new to it. Back in my sophomore year of high school, I would constantly straighten it. So like for like a year or two straight, I would almost always have it straightened.
Just get rid of the curls.
Yeah. And my curls were super damaged. Like if I show you a picture from earlier, you would not even be able to tell
Recognize
they
it.
were curls.
Interesting.
My curl pattern used to be like way more curlier, but more recently, I have been taking more care of them, and I've been using more like leave-in conditioners or like hair masks to repair
Just
it.
more aware of like what you're putting in it.
Because I do love the curls. I
do.
just lack confidence in my curls sometimes. So
When you say lack confidence, meaning like you're looking to get your curls to a state that you're like, cool, now I love these curls.
yeah, exactly.
We can definitely help with that. That is definitely a great goal, and you'll get it. And I don't know, shoot for the moon, wind up amongst the stars. I kind of preach like here's how to be like super perfect. So we will talk about some of the things just that I'm seeing right away, but I don't want you to think that it's like, oh, I have to do that.
Yeah,
You kind of got to just take the pieces that like, okay, cool, like I feel like I could apply that or whatever. And the more you take, obviously the bigger difference that'll make. And you might, well, cool, that's all I needed to land in the spot where I'm happy. I do have some clients that are technically higher maintenance, and I have other clients that are extremely low maintenance. And like looking at your hair just with the color, like to get it here, you are out the gate going to be a high maintenance curly girl. And there's nothing wrong with that. What I'm wondering is, I wonder if you're kind of doing everything great and the last thing is going to be like the color. Is that something that you want to continue doing? Or are you thinking like, I eventually want to grow it out, get back to natural? And there's no wrong answer. I'm happy with either one. I just want to know how to advise you.
I do want to continue coloring it.
Okay.
And I know that's like not going to really help it.
Sure. It's not helping the health of the curl, but you really enjoy the color. So what that means, you got to be really, really tight in all the other areas, because chemical is hard to beat. And anytime you're lightening, bleaching hair, it weakens it up and it makes it a lot drier. Curls are already kind of prone to that. They're definitely a more sensitive hair type. So they're going to be brittle. They're going to lose that elasticity. So it's kind of like there's all these different taxes, and you got to like figure out, okay, how do I not tax my hair in any of these areas so that I can get away with continuing to do this color to my hair? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let's just kind of go over some stuff. I was reading in your notes. You still heat style it.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want, my curls are pretty dang healthy and I have the color that I like,
No more heat.
you can't wear your hair straight. So that way you can have like a better foundation for this color to stand on so it doesn't break it. Does that make sense? As far as the cut goes, you running into any issues that you're hoping I can fix? I don't want you coming in here and leaving with all the exact same problems you walked in with. As far as the cut goes, you running into any issues that you're hoping I can fix?
Last time I did get a curly cut, like even before she applied any product in, my hair looked more healthier. You know, right now it just looks very dead.
Well, how long ago was that you got a cut?
I think it was in August because I recently bleached it professionally and it's like all dyed and stuff. I think like I have a lot more dead ends, but I'm just too scared that I'm gonna have to cut it short, which I don't want to have to do.
Well, what are those dead, aside from visually, are those dead ends affecting you any type of way? Like in the shower, are you having a very hard time detangling, getting through it, matting?
My hair does get tangled like super easily. Sometimes I'll wake up in the morning and like a part of my hair will just have like a tangled ball up.
That's the bleach.
Yeah.
It's the bleach plus whatever else, any heat damage or stretch damage or whatever, and then the random breakage, and then that randomness in those curls, it causes those knots, and then typically getting those knots out causes even more breakage. So if you're experiencing that down here at the bottom, you naturally you don't have tangly hair. The color, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where would you be like not so bummed if
You mean how short? I don't. That's a little scary because
it is for me too, because I know you're wanting to keep as much as you want to keep, but at the same time, I don't want you coming in here and leaving with all the exact same problems you walked in with.
yeah.
And so if you know, I mean, I'm looking at the differences too. You're obviously, for whatever reason, you're breaking more on this side than you are on this side, at least down low. You see the difference?
Yeah.
If I needed to take this side up to clean it up, that's like coming across here, and then obviously we would want to match it on the other side. Is that gonna?
So I mean that's fine.
It's okay.
I wouldn't mind it. Yeah.
Okay.